Christmas gifts you will be buying for those you love. And once again this year, we have curated an incredible local shopping guide for everyone on your list. With me now is Christina and Gina from DermaPrecision.
Hello.
Thank you both for being here.
Hi, Lexi. Thank you so much for having us today. We're so excited to be here.
Well, I'm so excited to hear all about what you guys do. So Christina, let's start with you. Tell me a little bit about the brand.
Yeah, so DermaPrecision is a boutique medical aesthetic spa in North Scottsdale. I started DermaPrecision in 2020 as a single mom in the height of a global pandemic.
Oh my gosh, you're super mom. Wow.
Out of my house, actually, believe it or not, with an N95 mask and a shield.
Oh my gosh, wow, that's incredible.
But my mission was really to bring approachable aesthetic treatments to my friends and family in Scottsdale. I had a background in plastic and reconstructive surgery and a vast knowledge of anatomy and meticulous attention to detail, and I really wanted to empower my friends and family to feel their best and feel confident in a time when we were otherwise feeling really gloomy and depressed, right?
Absolutely.
It was a tough time.
Yeah, you were bringing a little bit of light and beauty to the community, which is so great. So Gina, I want to talk to you about some of these specific products that we have here.
Okay, so today, 'tis the season, we have 3 holiday bundles. We've got makeup bundles, we've got skincare bundles, and they are great for anyone. These products are some of the best, and that's because of the ingredients in the product. So that's why no matter what the skin concern is, you can use these products and you will love them. We've got color science products today, and we've got clinical skin. First, I'll touch on color science. They are 100% pure mineral-based products. Every ingredient in color science is in there for a reason. So you're not going to find the fillers, the fragrance, all of those harsh additives that tend to give people irritation and allergic reaction.
Sure.
You know, skin is the largest organ of our body, and we're so conditioned, like what it is that we're eating. It's just as important what we're putting on our skin and what's going into our body. So that's why we're very proud to sell that line.
Let's move on to over here.
Over here, we've got our other line, Clinical Skin. It's a newer line, but it has been widely popular. There's such efficacy that we see with our patients. The creators of this line have another very successful line, ZO Skincare. So we're thrilled to have it. It has a really innovative technology called ACE technology. It's chock full of ceramides and peptides, really good for anti-aging skin. So again, anything for anyone or even your own self if you want to spoil yourself for the holidays.
This is a great Christmas gift to give to yourself. Okay, I love all of this. So Christina, tell everybody where they can get the product.
Yes, so we would love to see you at our North Scottsdale location. We are located right next to the Scottsdale Quarter. You can also purchase these online at our website, which is www.dermaprecision.com. You can also visit us on social at derma.precision. We are so excited to take care of you guys.
Oh, I love this. Oh, yes, everybody could benefit from this Christmas. All right, thank you both so much for being here. And like we said, all that information is right there on your screen. Oh, thank you guys. This year's holiday gift guide is sponsored by Jordana Michalaki of Elm Law Group. As we all know, accidents go up dramatically during the holiday season, but Elm Law Group is here for you this time of the year and always. To learn more about Jordana and Elm Law Group, visit elmlawgroup.com.